groups to demand Saudi Arabia release a poet who's been given a death sentence for insulting Islam. He faces execution because a judge decided that his repentance was not enough. CNN's John Jensen has his story.
Those who have met him describe Ashraf Fayadh as a poet and writer, brimming with hope that his work and others he curated would help develop the nascent art scene in Saudi Arabia. Today, Fayadh is sitting in a Saudi prison, facing the death penalty. The Saudi-born Palestinian poet, seen here on state TV, was charged this month with insulting Islam and apostasy, mostly through his writing. Human Rights Watch says Fayadh was first arrested in 2013 after he argued with a man in a cafe over his poetry, and a complaint was filed with the Saudi ultra-conservative religious police that he insulted Islam. Later, he was initially sentenced to 4 years in prison with 800 lashes, charged with having inappropriate relations with the opposite sex, after police discovered photographs on Fayadh's phone, posing with women at an art gallery.
An appeal by prosecution is what led to the recent conviction of death. Now, CNN has reached out to Saudi authorities for comment on Fayadh's case, but there has been no response.
Human rights groups have expressed outrage at the case, saying Fayadh was exercising personal freedoms of expression. A London-based association of writers condemned the verdict in an open letter calling for Fayadh's release. Britain's poet laureate Carol Ann Duffy and Syrian poet Adonis were two of many prominent writers to sign. The monarchy is facing increasing international criticism over its opaque judicial system. Earlier this year, a Saudi blogger received the first set of a sentence of 1,000 lashes following a conviction for insulting Islam online. That man, Raif Badawi, also received 10 years in prison. Many death sentences in Saudi are conducted by beheading. Fayadh, though, may yet have hope. He can appeal to Saudi's highest court within 30 days. John Jensen, CNN, Abu Dhabi.
We'll be right back.